Ever wonder who hasn't accepted your LinkedIn connection request? In this video, I'll show you where to find all your pending invitations in just a few clicks. Let's get right into it. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by going to linkedin.com and signing into your account. Step 2. At the top of your LinkedIn homepage, click on the My Network tab. Step 3. Under the Invitations section, click Show All to view your full list of connection activity. Step 4. In the next tab, you'll see two options, Received and Sent. Click Sent to see all your pending connection requests. Bonus tip, if a connection request has been sitting for too long, you can withdraw it and resend a new one with a personalized message to improve your chances. And that's how you view your pending LinkedIn connections in 2025. Keeping track of your outreach helps you manage your professional network better. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple LinkedIn tips. See you next time!